Today I'm gonna be sharing with you my garlic mushroom pasta with pork tenderloin. This is a one-pot meal that my family asks for all the time. It's so delicious, it couldn't be simpler, so let's get to it. We're just gonna cut our pork tenderloin into 1-inch medallions. We're gonna season our tenderloin with 1 tablespoon of the Dash garlic and herb seasoning. Toss that all around, get the pork nice and coated. I absolutely love this stuff. It's salt-free and packed with flavor. Now let's go ahead and sear our pork. 3 to 4 minutes per side until they're golden brown and cooked through. Coleman pork is humanely raised in the US by family farms. Great tasting, all natural meats. You can feel good about serving your family and friends. This pork looks like it's perfectly cooked. We're gonna add 1 tablespoon of butter to our hot pan. All these leftover brown bits are just gonna add so much depth of flavor to our sauce. It's gonna be fantastic. Now for our sliced mushrooms, and we're just gonna saute these for about 5 minutes until they turn a nice golden brown. Now we're gonna add 3 cloves of minced garlic, half a cup of chicken stock, and 3/4 of a cup of heavy cream. So now we have a gentle simmer. I'm gonna add about a half a cup of freshly grated Parmesan, 8 ounces of penne pasta that we cooked, and we're gonna add our fantastic pork right back in there, and a little more Dash garlic and herb, some fresh thyme, and some nice fresh chopped parsley. And that's it, a beautiful meal ready in less than an hour. You have to give this a try. Let me know what you think in the comments, and we'll see you guys next time.